Hey y'all, I'm making a cream cheese Danish today, and it's going to come together really quick. I'm excited about it. And we're just going to throw in 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. And we're going to go ahead and get that creamed up and get all the lumps out of it. I'm going to put my other beater on. This recipe is by Laura with Make Yourself at Home with Laura. And it kind of went viral for her. So I thought people must really love this. I'm going to give it a try. So I think if you like cream cheese, you're probably going to really like this one. Okay, there's only a couple of ingredients in here. So we're going to go in with a cup of sugar and 1 egg. Probably should have creamed my sugar in with that first. Too late. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Ooh, it was a little more. Okay, that mixed up. And I had let my cream cheese come to room temperature. Okay, that's looking really good. Just want to kind of beat it until all of the lumps are out. That's looking good. Okay, now we just use 2 packages of Crescent rolls, and we just line the bottom of the pan with 1. Ooh. And probably if you can find the dough sheet, just grab that. But this will work fine. I'm just going to roll that out. And I'm just going to press down or press the seams, close up the seams. Or any holes you have. Okay. Now we're just going to pour the topping right on. Just get it all out to the edges. Okay. That bakes up okay. Whoop. And then we just go on top with the other one. Okay. Try to unroll this one first. Slay it over. See if you can lay that on. Just kind of bring it over. Just do little pinches. That's it, guys. I'm going to put this into a 350 oven, and it's going to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Okay, there is a glaze that goes on top, so we're going to use 3 cups of powdered sugar, and that's just 1 16-ounce box. And then we're just going to put a few tablespoons of water in. The recipe called for about 6, but we're going to put 1 in at a time and mix it up, and then it'll be ready when the Danish comes out of the oven. That was 4. Let's see how that does. I think I'm going to switch over to just a spoon. That's kind of getting hard. That's, how many is that? 6 maybe? Do 7? So So I'm having to do more than she did. Just gonna add one more. So, okay, that looks really good. Maybe a little thick. Maybe a little thick. Okay, it's out of the oven. It's nice and brown. Mine did take about 30 minutes though. So depending on your oven. What we're going to do now is just let this rest for about 15 minutes before we just put the icing on. Now that my Danish has cooled, my icing has kind of gotten hard. So I'm going to put another tablespoon of water, soften it up a bit. That looks good. Okay. Spread it around. Ooh, running all out there. That looks amazing, y'all. Ooh, that's still pretty warm, but I'm gonna let it cool a little bit. She did say that you can eat it warm or cold. I probably would like it better warm, but I have a feeling if I cut it right now, it's just gonna fall apart. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit longer, and then we'll do our taste test. Okay, y'all, look at this. It looks amazing. Oh, look at that bite. Mm. Mm. Wow, that is so good. If you like cream cheese, you are going to love this. Now, it is rich. The icing on top is rich, but there's nothing wrong with that for sure. Oh, it's excellent. And it was so quick. I think you're really going to like this one. I think this one is a success, and I would suggest making this one. And it kind of looks fancy. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for joining me on Recreate the Plate.